Alrighty, folks, my name is Mark. I'm a physical therapist with Chesapeake Bay Aquatic and Physical Therapy, here to talk to you about your favorite pandemic hairstyle. Um, Joking aside, I'm actually here to make a little quick reply video or follow-up video to the video that our Reisterstown director, Greg, had made in regards to foam rolling and some general soft tissue work. So, in my work with patients, that's one of the things we try and work on, right? Is self-management strategies, things that you can do at home, especially now with the pandemic, everything's kind of closed down. So I'm going to show you a few of the things I use, some recommendations I've got. I liked everything Greg said. It's just a kind of a additional follow-up. So first and foremost, we've got a version of a stick roller. If I had to be honest, I actually prefer Greg's more. It's got a little bit of a bend. This one, it's nice. It's got it's got four individual rollers, and it's textured, whereas his is smooth. I've also seen ones where they've got little kind of like ball spikes on them. Honestly, go with the one that he's got. If I remember right, it's called the Stick. We can get more information for that down in the YouTube comments below. From there, I've got two tennis balls and a sock. I will go through each one of these as to why I use it and how I use it, and go from there. We also have a golf ball. Again, we'll kind of go through some of the recommendations I've got for this, and one of them is actually sticking it in your fridge. So this is my foam roller. As you can see, it's kind of textured like a big old construction wheel. If you're new to foam rolling or you're interested in it, I'd actually go with what Greg was recommending, the smoother, longer version. This was my first buy, and I wish someone had told me all that time ago to not go with this when you're first starting. It's pretty aggressive to start. From there, for those folks that aren't quite as mobile as myself or Greg, right? Each of our clinics is now going to be working with the Hypervolt Plus massage gun. And we'll talk about why I might choose this over any of the other tools I've just shown you. But stay tuned for that.